Once you have completely finished assembling your puzzle cube, we're ready to make drawings of all six sides of it. So I'm going to click on File and New, and I'm going to choose Drawings, Standard IDW. I'm going to choose Base, just like I've done before, but this time I'm going to put it a little more towards the middle of the screen. You might want to scale up or down. I'm going to choose a 2:1 scale. I'm going to click to the left. I'm going to click above. I'm going to click below and to the right and up here and here for a lot of views. Why are we doing so many views? Because this drawing is going to help someone assemble the cube if they can't figure out how it goes together. So the more sides we show, the better. Now, I would like to show the back side. That would be over here to the right. By default, it won't let me do that. So instead of base, I'm going to go to projected view here. Projected view, it needs me to tell it I'm going to project from here, my right side view. So I click there, and then I click over to the right, and then you'll notice it's just a green box. I need to right click and choose create. Once you do that, we have all six sides of the cube showing. I'll tap escape, make sure I'm not in the middle of something else. And then I'm going to double click my base view, the first one I put in, and I'm going to click here to make it a shaded look. And I'll hit OK. And just like that, they're in color. I'm going to do the same thing to my isometrics. And before you ask, could you have had more isometric views in here? Of course. I would say two is probably enough, though. Heck, even one is probably enough. Arrange the views until you think that you're perfectly happy. We won't need any dimensions in here because all we're doing is showing how it goes together. Make sure that you save. Make sure that is in the same folder we've put everything else, puzzle cube pieces, and you are done with your assembled drawing.